Hello, math friends. Today we're going to talk about how we can use the order of operations with absolute value thrown in there. So that's where just a little addition of the absolute value symbol. So just a reminder of what absolute value is. Absolute value is how far a number is from zero, the distance a number is from zero on the number line. So let's take a look at just maybe a simple one like the absolute value of -6. How far is -6 from zero on the number line? It's 6 spots. And so then we could also see that the absolute value of +6 would also be 6 spots from zero on the number line. So its answer would also be 6. So the answer to absolute value problems are positive. When you're coming out of the absolute value symbol, you end up with a positive answer. So when could it end up negative? Well, this problem, if we take a look here, it tells us to take the absolute value of -8. Well, -8 is 8 spots from zero, so that gives us an answer of 8. But then this negative out here says, what's the opposite of that answer? Well, the opposite of +8 is -8. So there we end up, after we do all the operations here, we end up with an answer of -8. Okay, so let's get a little bit harder. Let's get a little bit harder. Show how smart we really are. Okay, here we go. So what if I had something like this? The absolute value of -10 plus the opposite of the absolute value of 8. So here I would go ahead and move left to right, and absolute value of -10 would be 10 plus the absolute value of 8 would be 8, but I take the opposite of it, so it ends up being -8. And then I get 10 plus -8. 10 plus -8 would give me a +2. Beautiful. Let's do one more. Make sure we got this down. All right. So what if we make it a little bit longer? I could have something that looks like this. I could have the absolute value of -50 divided by -2. Inside my absolute value symbols plus 15 divided by -3. And those are parentheses now. Okay, so in this case, when we think about the order of operations, we start with parentheses. The absolute value symbols here, where there's work to do inside of them, they act as a grouping symbol as well, or parentheses symbol as well. So we should do this operation that's inside of that grouping symbol first. So -50 divided by -2, that would give me +25, and I keep my absolute value bars, plus 15 divided by -3. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the absolute value of 25, which is 25. And now I'm back to a really regular order of operations problem that I've gotten really good at. I know I have to divide before I can add. So 15 divided by -3 is -5. So I end up with 25 plus -5. 25 plus -5 is 20. Super awesome. So combining what we know about order of operations with absolute value. Good stuff. Have a great day.